Okay, my good friends, let's talk about velocity. We're inside of the piano roll editor and we are making changes to our MIDI events so that we can create some realism, some authenticity. We can get the MIDI to really feel like it's a real thing, right? Well, we know that velocity has a minimum value of 1 and a maximum value of 127. So what we're going to do here is we're going to access the velocity tool inside of the piano roll by hitting the keyboard modifier control command. Instantly, we can access this tool without necessarily having to go into the tool menu. I agree with you. You can absolutely access the velocity tool inside of the tool menu. Sure, you can go ahead and use the velocity slider, but these simply will not prove to be enough in the long haul. What I'm going to want you to do is I want you to hit Control Command. You can see that the pointer tool converts into the velocity tool when I am hovering over a MIDI event. This doesn't apply just to one note, of course. If I select several MIDI events and I then hold Control Command, I can change the velocity values even though there are offsets here. Now, one thing I should point out is when you do have offsets, there will be a limit to how much you can drag this. To be able to overwrite this, you're going to have to go into the velocity slider, hold Option, and then drag right or left, and then everything should become uniform thereafter. So now all the signals have turned one color by working this system. I'll hit Control Z to undo. So please remember that this not only applies to one note, but several groups, and this could be non-contiguous. So if I hold Shift and select two notes and then select, let's say, this group here on the left-hand side, now I've created a non-contiguous selection. I could then hit Control Command. I can click drag vertically to increase or go the other way to decrease, and that right there is going to help you tremendously. Go into Logic, try this out. Let me know your findings, and I will catch you on the next video.